are we headed?
Nashville, Tennessee. Hey guys, it's dark and you're probably not going to be able to see my face, but we are in Nashville, Tennessee. We are actually, this will be our last night. Hey, I think I can see me a little bit better. Hope you can. We're actually our last night here in Nashville. We spent our first 2 days that we were here, yesterday and today, we spent on Broadway. And in Nashville. Mike had never been to Broadway, so we took him down to Lower Broadway, and of course, you'll see video of all of that with Caitlin, because she was loving the music, and we were too. But we move on tomorrow, and we'll be heading to Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. But we wanted to let you know we stayed at an RV park here in Nashville. It's the Two Rivers RV park. It's an older RV park, and the amenities aren't as great as what we normally have, but that's okay. As far as RV parks go, it's been very quiet. It is very convenient to Opryland and Opry Mills Mall. You've got a Gander RV on one side and a Camping World on the other. I'm not big fans of either one, but we won't go into that. That's more political. But anyway, it's convenient, so if you need to buy anything, in fact, we had to go into Camping World and buy an extension sewer hose. So every video that I've ever watched, and every person that I've talked to has always said, make sure that you have an extension for your sewer hose. And yeah, I'm like, I got enough. It's good. Every place I've been to, it's been okay. Yeah, here at Two Rivers, it wasn't okay, and we had to buy an extension. So, tip: make sure you've got plenty of sewer hose. We had to make a stop there at Camping World, and it was convenient. In fact, we could have walked. We didn't. We took the Jeep and went in and got our sewer hose. But anyway, we're leaving Nashville in the morning, and we'll be heading to Pigeon Forge. Take you along on that adventure. Hey guys, please make sure that you subscribe. Leave us a comment down below, and share this video if you like it, and our others. Tell your friends and about Kickin' It Band Voast style. We appreciate it, and keep watching. I think I looked at this morning. We were at 220 subscribers. Fantastic. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Show that Mike actually does do dishes.
Oh yeah.
It is his day to do dishes today. We're all taking a turn, and today is his day.
Well, I think when it comes to Megan tomorrow, she'll be a little bit sick. So.
Yeah, it's Megan's day tomorrow.
I don't think we'll be seeing her do dishes.
Oh yeah, everybody does dishes. We are in Nashville, Tennessee, and this is day number day four of our 1 month excursion. We leave here tomorrow, and we will head to Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. Nice washing there, Mike.
Oh, thanks.
Yep.
I do the best. I'm ready to go back down now.
When is it Caitlin's turn to wash dishes?
She can be on Thursdays.
Yeah, Thursdays. Days that end in Y.
Are you recording over there?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm talking to her. She was looking at the phone while she...
Hey guys, we did want to put together something to send out to you as we finished up our Nashville trip. Didn't do a lot in Nashville except for, like I said, the lower Broadway. We did Tootsie's and we did Honky Tonk Heaven and Kid Rock's place. Had some food and enjoyed our time in Nashville. So there wasn't a whole lot of video for you, a lot of music. So we're going to end this here. Again, please do me a favor. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so now and hit that button right there. And somewhere, I always miss that. But, and then leave us a comment. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think.